Hi, this is Dansoy, amateur cook, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one. Today we have something different, a barbecue pineapple chicken quesadilla. It's something different. You want to mix everything up in life and try different flavors and different combinations. So for today's recipe, we have chicken thighs, organic chicken thighs. I know you always see me use pre-cooked chicken. Today I'm doing something different. I'm going to use chicken thighs. I got the soft tortillas white. I got barbecue rub that you use with the chicken when you cook it. Cilantro. I got the barbecue sauce. I got the cheese. I got pineapple. I got my famous olive oil. And I have some white onion. So the thing we're going to want to do first is cook the chicken. And like I said, I did something different today. This is organic chicken thighs. I'm not using pre-cooked chicken. So the thing we're going to want to do is start with 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the pan. Alright, so to start out with the chicken first, we're going to go to the pan and we're going to put that on medium heat. And we're going to put like 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil in here. If you have to, if it's a big pan, use more. Just make sure the pan is coated to the best thing. So we'll just get that chicken in. Alright, so we got the chicken there. And we have the olive oil there. Just make sure you put that in there, and then we'll get started with the chicken. Alright, so we have our chicken thighs in there. Like I said, put that on medium, and let's get started. It's going to take about 5 to 7 minutes. When this starts to get cooking, you're going to want to move this around. After a minute, we'll throw in that barbecue rub. Alright, so you can see that the chicken is starting to cook. Another thing you could do is to actually add some flavor to this is take Goya adobo with pepper and put some in there. While that's going, we do have this barbecue rub ready, and just start working this. So we're gonna work that, keep flipping it, and it's gonna take about 7 minutes to do chicken thighs. And before the 7 minutes, we'll throw in that barbecue rub, and we'll make sure that gets into there. But like at times, it's good to use fresh chicken. Like I know on my channel, I use pre-cooked chicken all the time to save time. But sometimes it's good to cook it from the start. Alright, so you can see that our chicken is starting to turn white. We're going good so far. And like I said, about 1 or 2 minutes before the 7 minutes, we'll turn this down to low. We'll add the barbecue rub in there, and then we're going to want to throw in some white onion. And one thing that you really want to do is when you're cooking like chicken or steak or pork, use a splash guard. These things are really inexpensive. I got this one at Walmart, and it'll cover your pan so you don't have oil splashing all over the place. Alright, so our chicken is almost done. Now take that barbecue rub and just sprinkle it over the chicken. I'm coming to you in 1080p today and POV, point of view, so you can see everything from my hands and my eyes. So now you're going to want to just cook this with the barbecue rub. Let it sit there for like 30 seconds to a minute. And after that, we're going to throw in the green onion soon. And after everything's done, we'll put chicken we need in a mixing bowl. And then we'll throw some pineapple in there. Alright, so there's our chicken. You can see how the barbecue rub got in there. And like I said, it's good to cook it from scratch, the chicken at times. Now, while we were waiting, I got the white onion and I got the cilantro. We're going to throw this in. And the thing we're going to want to do is keep your stove on low now. And maybe for another minute, just start working this in. So when we're done with that, we'll transfer it to the bowl, and we'll add the barbecue sauce and the pineapple. And then we'll make the quesadillas in this pan. It's basically a one-pan recipe. And these things are really good for your kids. So you can see that our chicken is done. I actually cut the pieces up in the pan and just let them simmer for another minute. So the thing we're going to want to do is, I took this pineapple and I cut it up. So put the pineapple into your mixing bowl, and then we're going to add this chicken over top of it. And the thing we're going to want to do is then we're going to add the barbecue sauce right after that. Alright, so we have the pineapple in there. And like I said, I'm going to make 2 quesadillas. So I'm going to add the amount of chicken that I want for those 2 quesadillas. So like I said, I live alone and I don't want to cook too much. So just put that together with the pineapple, and then take your barbecue sauce and squeeze it in there. The thing we're going to do is we're going to mix that up next, and then we'll put the quesadillas together, and we'll use the same pan to cook the quesadillas. So like I said, it's a one-pan recipe. Fast. Alright, so we got the barbecue sauce in there. So just start mixing this until the barbecue sauce coats everything, and then we'll make the quesadillas. I actually wiped this pan down, so we'll add another 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then after this mixture is together thoroughly, we'll build the quesadillas and we'll put them in the pan. It usually only takes about 2 minutes per side. And this recipe is really good for your kids, and this is your Monday upload. Alright, so that's actually done. It's a really good taste. I just tasted it. You have the pineapple in there, the barbecue sauce, the adobo, the barbecue rubs. So it makes for some interesting flavors. So now we'll get a plate and the quesadillas and the cheese, and we'll load half of it up and fold it over, and then put it in the pan. And in 2 to 4 minutes, we'll have our quesadillas. Alright, so you can see, once you're done, it's only a 2-ingredient recipe. You got the chicken mixture, you got your cheddar cheese. Be free to use the cheese of your choice, and then you're going to just top these. So the thing you're going to want to do is take some of this cheese, and you're only going to load up half the side, because we're going to fold it over. So, and you don't want it too full because you want this thing to fold. So put your cheese on both sides, and then we'll put the chicken mixture on top. Alright, so you have your cheese on both sides. So just fill up the other side with the chicken mixture. So put on the amount of chicken that you want. And you could already see the different colors. So just load up one side with chicken and the next with chicken. And try to get, like, you see how the pineapple's in there? Get the pineapple in there. Once that's done, we're going to fold these over. Alright, so we're done. The thing you're going to want to do is fold these over and crush them down. If they end up coming up, that's okay, because we're going to put them in the pan. But you see how that is? Like that one flipped back over. But just push these down, and you can see how they are. So basically, there's your quesadillas. Do as many as you want. But when you're using a pan, work in small batches. So we got the olive oil on there. 2 tablespoons. Put it on medium. And just put your quesadillas in here. And we're going to do them 2 minutes per side. But see how easy this is? We'll do it 2 minutes on here. Keep putting pressure on here. And then we'll flip it over. Alright, Facebook and YouTube, we have that down there. But we're going to flip these over in a minute. Alright, so see how I flipped them over? I actually used the hamburger thing. I flipped it over. And you're going to want to keep doing this for about 2 minutes. And like I said, just keep browning both sides. We're almost done. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, we're basically done. You could see how I flipped them over. And like I said, you just want to keep rotating it and do this as dark as you want. But that's how you make quick quesadillas for yourself or for your kids. Alright, YouTube and Facebook, there's your quick quesadillas. It's really hard to show you what they really look like because they're pressed down. You could have filled them with a lot more stuff, but then sometimes it's hard to do. But that's the gooey cheese and everything inside. So there's the quesadillas. You can see they make for some really good stuff right there. Look at that. So that's how you make quesadillas. This is your Monday upload. Sorry about that knife. I was trying to display these things. But there's your quesadillas. Thanks for being part of my channel. Please subscribe, hit the bell. 3 to 5 updates a week. See you Wednesday and Friday. Peace.